Hi students, this is Nisha Parik from Saswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach Environmental Studies of Class 4. Chapter 3, A Day with Nandu, Part 2. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. So in part 1, we have seen the herd went to jungle and enjoying there. Now, before sunset, the herd again started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. So, whole day they were enjoying. So, by then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. So, he was tired, that's why he settled himself between his mother's front leg and fell asleep as he drank her milk. You have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. So, in this lesson, we have learned about Nandu and elephant herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. So, a herd consists of 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. So, who is the leader of the herd? The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. So, male elephants live in this herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. So, they after 10 to 15 years they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that much old. So, Nandu, he is now small. Then when he get 14 to 15 years old, he will also leave the herd. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in groups. So, not only elephant, but other animals also live in group. These groups of animals are called herds. So, this group of animals are called herds. Animal in herds usually move around together in search of for food. So, animals in herd move around together in search of food. What do they say? Look at these pictures and read. These animals are sharing with their friends. So in this there is few pictures in that animals are sharing their feelings with their friends. Let us see which animal is sharing what. The basket is the only home I have. So snake is saying the home only he have is basket. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. So being closed in basket, he forgot what is the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. So for him, the everything is basket and snake charmer. What Beer is saying, you see me in circus, dancing and jumping through ring of fire. So we see bear in jungle dancing and jumping. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? So do we thought anytime that we also enjoy this everything? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. So if he don't do this, he don't be getting food, he will be getting only beatings. You have only seen how fast I run. So this animal, that is horse, we have seen how fast he run. Have you seen my shoes? So he's asking, did we see his shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes to my hooves? So he gets so much of pain when we fix horseshoes to his hooves. They make us dance and dance and dance even if we don't want to or we are in pain. So people make monkeys dance and dance even if he don't want to and even if he is in pain with an empty stomach. So without giving him any food, they people make him to dance. Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. So, cat, we see cat everywhere. Children love me a lot. So, children love cats a lot. They pet me and also give me milk. So many in many houses we see pet cat and they also give her milk. Guttergoo, guttergoo. Do you know people specially call out to me to feed me with grains? So for pigeons we call out and feed some grains. That's all in this lesson. Rest of the lesson will continue in next part.